Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the Edu Genius Academy. Today we have gathered here to explore the career opportunity in National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi. Let's start with the introduction. The National Institute of Disaster Management, that is NIDM, was constituted under an Act of Parliament. NIDM has established in year 1995 under the Disaster Management Act 2005. NIDM has been assigned nodal responsibilities for human resource development, training, research, documentation, and policy advocacy in the field of disaster management. NIDM provides capacity building support to various national and state level agencies in the field of disaster management and disaster risk reduction. Next, vision: to be a premier institute of excellence for training and research on disaster risk mitigation and management in India, and to be recognized as one of the leading institutions at the international level in the field. To strive relentlessly towards making disasters free India by developing and promoting a culture of prevention. Next, mission: to work as a think tank for the government by providing assistance in policy formulation and to facilitate in reducing the impact of disasters. Next, self-study program. On the occasion of Disaster Reduction Day on 12th October 2011, NIDM in collaboration with CDAC launched e-learning self-study program on disaster management for general public as well as government officials and other stakeholders who have role and responsibility of managing disasters. These self-study programs on disaster management could be accessed by anyone from anywhere in the world as per users' convenience in flexi time free of cost. Next, online training. National Institute of Disaster Management in partnership with the World Bank, that is GFDRR, Washington, offers a series of online courses on disaster management. The courses provide excellent opportunities to learn about the disaster risk reduction under professional guidance. The programs include discussions, queries, clarifications, assignments, and end of course projects which are evaluated by experienced course facilitators. Successful candidates are provided certificates jointly issued by the NIDM and the World Bank, that is GFDRR. There are two main categories of online courses being offered by the NIDM: Comprehensive Natural Disaster Risk Management Framework and Thematic. The Comprehensive Natural Disaster Risk Management Framework course is open for all those who are interested in acquiring comprehensive natural disaster risk management framework knowledge on disaster management, mitigation, preparedness, etc. The thematic courses are offered to those who have either completed the Comprehensive Natural Disaster Risk Management Framework course or having thematic qualifications or experience in their related domains. Next, course duration. For Comprehensive Natural Disaster Risk Management Framework course duration is 6 weeks. For thematic courses, course duration is 4 weeks. That's all about the career opportunity in National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi. For more information, do visit Edu Genius Academy. Have a nice day. Thank you.